This video introduces how to structure AI conversations by auto-highlighting prompts and instantly adding notes and tags to your interactions. You can save the complete AI context, capturing all user prompts, AI replies, custom tags, and personal notes in a single file. Get a dev-ready export in just one click. You can export your highlights to Markdown, HTML, or TXT formats easily. Utilize a visual knowledge dashboard to search, filter, and manage all your global highlights in one centralized location. Your data remains local and private by default. You have the option to securely sync to the cloud only when you choose to.